Walk into a dealership with a $30,000 budget, and you'll face a predictable trap. Most buyers reach for a familiar brand they've seen advertised on TV, or get steered towards something that looks impressive on the surface but quietly drains their wallet over time. 3 years later, when repair costs pile up and resale value has cratered, the truth becomes clear. They didn't buy transportation, they bought a financial burden dressed up as a good deal. Here's the good news. Sub-$30,000 SUV market in 2026 contains 5 vehicles that aren't just decent, they're genuinely outstanding. The verdict doesn't come from opinion, it comes from data. Consumer research firm IC Cars evaluated over 12 million vehicles across reliability, resale value, and long-term ownership costs. Rankings from Kelley Blue Book, US News & World Report, JD Power, and Consumer Reports back up every pick on this list. These are the 5 SUVs that deliver the most value for your money right now. 5. 2026 Kia Seltos from $25,135. The dollar's instinct to dismiss a Kia is exactly what's costing people money. The 2026 Seltos opens at $25,135, but the price isn't the headline. What you get for that money is. Kelley Blue Book awards it a 4.7 expert rating, placing it third among all subcompact SUVs in the country. Owners consistently praise the standard technology package, available all-wheel drive, and the feature count that rivals charge thousands more to match. US News & World Report describes it as an affordable subcompact that delivers technology, efficiency, and space without compromise. Fuel economy sits around 31 mpg combined, which is competitive for its class. One Edmunds reviewer who traded in a German luxury SUV noted that the Seltos standard tech made similarly priced competitors look underwhelming by comparison. Backed by Kia's class-leading warranty, this is a vehicle where the engineering does the talking, not the badge. Bottom line, smart buyers pay for what's under the hood, not what's on the grill. 4. 2026 Mazda CX-30 from $29,290. Let the automotive press fool you, real owners love this car. IC Cars' analysis of over 12 million vehicles ranked the CX-30 at the top of reliability scores for SUVs in this price bracket. Earning a 7.9 out of 10, the 2026 CX-30 lands right at the edge of the $30,000 ceiling and brings something no competitor in this range can match: a premium driving experience. Mazda builds this vehicle with the same philosophy applied to cars costing $15,000 more. The Weekly Driver describes the interior quality as punching well above its price tier. The steering, chassis tuning, and road feel belong in a different category entirely. On paper, the numbers look moderate: 191 horsepower in the turbocharged trim, 29 mpg combined. Behind the wheel, the experience is something else. One owner sold a European hatchback specifically because the CX-30 offered the same engagement at roughly half the running costs. Bottom line, if you want a vehicle that makes other SUVs feel like appliances, this is it. 3. 2026 Subaru Crosstrek from $26,995. Here's the single fact that earns the Crosstrek its place on this list. Standard all-wheel drive on every trim, starting at $26,995. Every other SUV in this bracket either comes with front-wheel drive at the base price or charges an extra $1,500 $3,000 to add AWD. Subaru includes its symmetrical all-wheel drive system on every Crosstrek, no upgrade required. CarEdge specifically identified it as the top pick for buyers who want AWD capability without straying into premium pricing. IC Cars data also shows strong depreciation resistance, meaning it protects your investment from 2 directions: at purchase and at resale. Ground clearance of 8.7 inches makes it genuinely capable for light off-road use, not just city driving. One honest caveat: the 2026 Crosstrek did not retain its IIHS top safety pick status under revised testing criteria. Buyers who prioritize safety ratings should factor that in. But on pure ownership economics, by price, running costs, and resale, it remains one of the most financially sound choices in the segment. Bottom line, all-wheel drive standard, strong resale, real-world capability. Built for people who actually use their SUV too. 2026 Hyundai Kona from $26,845. Kelley Blue Book ranked the 2026 Hyundai Kona as the #1 subcompact SUV in America, not just in its price range, but across the entire category. It starts at $26,845 and earns a 4.8 out of 5 expert rating from KBB, with praise for its design, technology, warranty, and practicality. The warranty is where the financial case gets serious. Hyundai's 10-year 100,000-mile powertrain coverage isn't marketing language. It's real money saved every time a repair falls under coverage rather than out of your pocket. JD Power notes that remaining Hyundai warranty coverage actively boosts used car resale value, meaning buyers pay more for it, which comes back to you at trade-in time. RepairPal data puts average annual Hyundai repair costs at $426, compared to a class average of $521. That's nearly $100 per year in quiet savings, compounding in your favor the longer you own it. Inside, the Kona delivers a 12.3-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard, and a cabin that owners consistently describe as feeling roomier than the exterior suggests. Bottom line, KBB's top-ranked subcompact. Industry-best warranty, under $27,000. This isn't a compromise, it's the benchmark. 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross from $26,850. Most dollars shoppers walk right past this one. That's precisely why it's number one. The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross starts at $26,850 and holds an IIHS Top Safety Pick designation for 2026, a credential that became significantly harder to earn after the Institute updated its testing standards this year. Most SUVs in the segment lost that status. The Corolla Cross kept it. IC Car's long-term durability analysis consistently places Toyota at the top of resale value charts. The Corolla Cross carries that same engineering DNA in a smaller, more affordable package. Standard EPA fuel economy is 29 mpg combined. The hybrid variant, starting at $33,330, just above our ceiling, returns an extraordinary 42 mpg combined, with 5-year fuel savings that analysts at the Weekly Driver calculate more than cover the price difference. Even at the base price, you get 8.1 inches of ground clearance, 21.5 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats, and a safety rating that competitors couldn't hold on to. Toyota's depreciation rate runs meaningfully below class averages. For a $26,000 purchase, that's thousands of dollars preserved when it comes time to sell or trade in. J.D. Power's long-term dependability studies consistently rank Toyota among the highest in the industry. The Corolla Cross doesn't have dramatic styling or a massive marketing push. It doesn't need either. It simply delivers on its promise year after year without unexpected bills. Bottom line, Toyota reliability. IIHS certified safety. $26,000 starting price. The most financially intelligent SUV purchase you can make under $30,000 in 2026.